Greetings, fellow house cooks. My name is Peter, and take a look at what I got right here. The Red Copper 5-Minute Chef Instant Meal Maker. Electric meal maker. It's one of them as seen on TV products. Says it can make meals, snacks, desserts within minutes. And I'm going to see if it holds up to its promise. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Okay, well, here it is out of its box. Looks exactly like it does in the package. Actually kind of looks like a shuttle pod, or from a spaceship. And there you can see the inside. That's where the ingredients go. Comes with a little spatula so you can dig out your final cooked meal. And here's the AC cord, the plug that makes it heat up. Kind of reminds me of another as seen on TV kitchen appliance endorsed by a retired heavyweight boxing champion. I think you all know the one that I'm referring to. I don't know, is Mike Tyson still alive anyway? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Because right now, I'm gonna set myself up to make me a chicken omelet. Now, where did I leave the recipe book? Oh, okay, so now I got the Red Copper cooker, and according to the instructions, when the light turns green, it's ready to cook. So I got my meats all cooked up. Cut up. Nice. Oh, listen to that sizzle. I used the recipe calls for sausage, but I substituted kibasi because it's our favorite meat. Family's favorite. Next up is my peppers and onions. Cook that for 1 minute. Now, while that's doing its minute, I will be cracking the eggs. Actually, I'm going to put this camera down. There. Alright. So, recipe calls for 1 to 2 eggs. So, here we go. Nice, yolky and full of proteiny goodness. Just beat it up real nice, or as Bob Ross says, beat the devil out of it. I like that expression. Okay. And I think my meats are done cooking. So you notice I didn't use all of that. So now, and now comes the hard part. Come on. Oh well. Alright. And then just close the lid without locking this part. And now comes the waiting part.
A few moments later.
Okay, 4 minutes has passed, and it looks like the eggs are ready. Let's take a look and see what kind of monstrosity I wrought onto the world. And, okay, well, it looks like eggs. Yeah, I did overdo it a little. And all of this without having to flip over the thing. Not bad. Alright, let's cool this off. Get this on a plate. And bring in my final analysis. Okay, so as you can see, I experienced a little bit of difficulty trying to get the omelet out of the cooker and onto my plate. Also burnt the bottom, I think. And top was just a little bit undercooked. Probably should have. Probably could have been rectified if I left it in like an extra minute or so. But it did come. But it did non-stick itself. See, there are like little pieces of egg over there. And, well, do I see myself using this thing in the future? I might. It does make good desserts, and, I am a dessert kind of person. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like the video and share it amongst your friends. Consider subscribing to my channel. To see my other videos of Minecraft, Walt Disney World, and etc. And in the meantime, always remember, 4 dozen eggs will help you get large, but 5 dozen eggs will make you a barge.